Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fusion battery. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood to access the battery. Always remove the negative terminal first, then the positive, and keep metal tools clear of terminals to prevent sparks. Inspect battery hold-downs and corrosion before removing the old battery, and prep the replacement with terminal protection for a reliable install. Begin battery removal by locating and loosening the hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. Remove the positive cable first, then the negative cable, and tuck them aside to prevent accidental contact. Carefully lift the battery straight up using both hands and good posture, as car batteries are heavy. Check the battery tray for corrosion and clean it with a baking soda solution, if needed, before placing the new battery into position. Set the new battery into the tray so the positive and negative terminals match the original orientation and sit flat. Reattach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both snugly but avoiding over-torquing to prevent damage. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and ensure the battery cannot shift. Start the car to confirm proper electrical connection and double-check that lights, radio presets, and any memory settings function as expected after the swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.